class. Students, today in the science class we are going to start with a new chapter. Chapter number 8 from your science book, Connect with Science class 1, and the chapter name is Food for Health. This is on page number 36. So students, let's start with the chapter. We all need food to live and grow. As we all know that there are three basic needs of human, that is clothing, fooding and shelter. So we all need food to live and grow. हम लोग को खाना किस लिए चाहिए? ताकि हम लोग अच्छे से बढ़ पाए. We can grow and to live. हम लोग जिंदा रह पाए. Food makes us healthy and strong. हम लोग को बहुत ताकत देता है food. Food makes us very healthy and strong, so that we can do any kind of work. We get food from plants and animals. As we all know that we get all kinds of food from plants and animals. Now what kind of food do we get from plants? Fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals, And what kind of food we get from animals? Meat, fish, egg. These are the things that we get from both plants and animals. Now here again it's written the same I have said. Plants give us cereals, fruits and vegetables. So these are the pictures of cereals like chana, dal, pulses, and these are the picture of fruits, various fruits, and these are the pictures of various colorful and green vegetables. So animals give us milk, eggs and meat. We get milk from cow and we get eggs from birds like chicken, hen, and we get meat from goat, sheep and fish. So that proves that we get food from both plants and animals. Next, rice, wheat, sugar, butter, sweets and potatoes give us energy and strength. Now students, we are going to read about some productive foods, like which are energy giving foods, which are bodybuilding foods, which are protective foods. So let's start. So what are energy giving food? Rice, chawal, wheat, bajra, and butter, makhan, cheese, sugar, sweets, chini, mithai, and potatoes, aloo. These are the foods, various food that we get and that gives us energy and strength. They are called energy giving food. जिस food से हम लोग को energy और strength मिलता है, ताकत मिलता है, ताकि हम लोग कोई भी काम आसानी से कर पाए, that is called energy giving food. So students, learn the definitions, learn all the spellings as well. Next, we come to page number 37. Pulses, peas, milk, eggs, fish and meat build our body. They are called bodybuilding foods. So these are the food that builds our body. हम लोग के body को build करता है. That is pulses, peas, green peas, very helpful, very healthy diet, milk, egg, fish and meat. So we all love to eat egg. We all love to eat milk, So these are the food that are bodybuilding food that builds up our body. Next comes green vegetables. Green vegetables and fresh fruits protect our body. They are called protective foods. So why they protect our body? From whom they protect our body? From any kind of diseases. If we have lots of amount of fruits, fresh fruits and green vegetables, then we can fight with any kind of disease. Okay, so they are very healthy. So we should always eat one fruit a day, at least one fruit a day, and various green vegetables. And whenever we are going to eat fruit, we should wash the fruit for 2 minutes. So fruits and vegetables are called protective foods. Next, about water. Now we all know that how water is very helpful. We must drink plenty of water, it helps us. So we all know that we should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. So everybody should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. So students, you will also have to maintain this. Now let's see what are the uses of water or how water is helpful to us. To digest our food. Water helps us to digest our food. हम लोग जो भी खाते हैं हम लोग को हजम करने में हेल्प करता है. In blood circulations, हमारे बॉडी में blood circulation बढ़ाता है. Throughout our body waste. When you drink water, your sweat comes out, and with that your body wastes come out, and as well as with urine. Next, we are going to learn about right kind of food or healthy food. That is food that we eat in breakfast. See the picture, students. Here we have strawberries, bread, butter, some corns and cheese, and then egg. So these are healthy breakfast. Okay, these are very helpful for breakfast. And breakfast we should always eat on time. That too like a king. पेट भर के पूरा breakfast करना चाहिए. Next, after breakfast, in the afternoon we have lunch. So food we eat in lunch is rice, dal, curry, dahi, chapati and various of pulses. So these are perfect lunch. After lunch, after completing our lunch in the afternoon, what we have at night? We have our dinner. So at dinner we should always have light amount of food like 2 chapatis or 2 parathas, 1 curry, थोड़ा सा green vegetables and curd. Next, turn to page number 38. See students, here are some pictures of good eating habits. So you are also going to follow the pictures, identify the pictures and see what are they doing, and you are also going to follow that. These are very good habits. Let's see first. First, we all know that we have to wash our hands before eating until up to 2 minutes. So till 2 minutes we should wash our hands, rub our hands with soap nicely, and then we should wash our hands before eating, and then also after eating we again will wash our hands for 2 minutes. Next, second picture, what it says, sit properly while eating. While you are eating, please sit properly. Like you will put your food on the table, sit on the chair straight with your backbone straight and have your food very slowly and calmly. Okay, not in a hurry, otherwise you will hurt your tongue, you will hurt your teeth with your teeth. So sit properly while eating. Next, do not talk while eating. अगर हम लोग खाते खाते बात करेंगे तो हम लोग के गले में अटक जाएगा खाना, तो उससे बहुत तकलीफ होगा, खांसी होगा, हिचकियाँ होगा. ठीक है, so do not talk while eating. We should keep quiet while we are eating something. Next, number 4 picture, what it says, chew your food properly. So we should use our teeth while we are eating. Okay, हम लोग जब खाना खाते हैं तो हम लोग अपने दांतों का अच्छे से इस्तेमाल करेंगे, अच्छे से खाना चबा के फिर हम लोग उसको swallow करेंगे. So chew your food properly. Take your time, chew your food properly and then swallow it. Next picture, what it says, number 5 picture, never waste your food. So students, from today onwards, you will not waste your food, not waste your tiffin, not waste your breakfast, lunch or dinner or any food. Okay, when you are having your food, when you are given something to eat, please eat that, don't waste it. Okay. Next picture, 6th picture, what it says, uncovered food is dirty. Never eat food from roadside vendors. रास्ते के ऊपर जो गुपचुप वाले बैठते हैं, फुचका वाले बैठते हैं, आलू कटर्स बैठते हैं, ठीक है, वो सब हम लोग को बिल्कुल नहीं खाना चाहिए, क्योंकि रास्ते से बहुत गाड़ी जाता है, धूल उड़ता है, वो सब उस खाने में बैठता है. So we should not eat uncovered food in any roadside और फ्रॉम एनी रोड साइड वेंडर्स. ठीक है, कोई भी रास्ते से खाना खरीद के, खुला हुआ खाना खरीद के नहीं खाना चाहिए हम लोग को. दैट इज़ वेरी अनहेल्दी, वो हम लोग को बहुत तकलीफ दे सकता है. नेक्स्ट वी कम टू पेज नंबर 39. व्हाट इज़ द फर्स्ट पिक्चर सेइंग इन पेज नंबर 39? वी मस्ट ईट फूड विद आवर माउथ क्लोज्ड. जब भी हम लोग खाना खाते हैं, हम लोग खाना पहले मुंह में घुसाते हैं, उसके बाद मुंह को बंद करके खाना खाते हैं. धीरे धीरे, स्लोली स्लोली वी विल च्यू आवर फूड. हम लोग चबा चबा के अच्छे से धीरे धीरे अपना मुंह बंद करके खाना खाएंगे. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर सेज ईट लॉट्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. हर दिन आपको बहुत सारा फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स खाना है. दैट इज़ वेरी हेल्दी. ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स लाइक एप्पल, मैंगो, पाइनएप्पल, बनाना, स्ट्रॉबेरीज, ओके, पपाया. सो these we are going to eat every day. Next, what is the second last picture saying? What is the girl doing? We must drink at least 2 glasses of milk every day. So see, the small kid is also drinking 2 glasses of milk. Okay, so every day we should always drink 2 glasses of milk. We should always drink 6 to 8 glasses of water and 2 glasses of milk. The last picture says brush your teeth after eating. So do you all know, students, how many times we should brush our teeth in a day? We should brush twice a day. Once early in the morning when you wake up from your bed, you brush your teeth, and then at night when you go off to sleep. Before going off to sleep, you should always brush your teeth after having your dinner. So students, these are few good eating habits. Go through the pictures. You also practice them so that you can also stay healthy. So in this chapter, in this video, we have learnt about various food, okay, various meals of the day, and types of good habits, and different types of food like bodybuilding food, protective food, as well as energy giving food, with lots and lots of pictures and uses of water, and what are the right kind of eating habits. Okay students, go through the chapter, practice reading, learn the spellings, learn the definitions, learn the points from the chapter. That's it student for today. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.